Hey there, and welcome to Text University. Today, we're taking a look at Chatbot Sources inside the Knowledge Hub, the place where your bot learns how to sound smart, helpful, and always on brand. To get started, head over to Knowledge Hub and click on Chatbot Sources. This is where you'll see a list of all the bots you created. Each bot can be trained on its own unique knowledge, like website content or internal documents. Now, let's add some knowledge. Click on the bot you want to work with. That opens up the full view. Next, pick your source type and click Add Content. Websites. Just paste in a public URL and the system will scan the page for content. You can decide if you want it to scan the whole site or just one page. Articles. Paste in any detailed content, like internal docs or guides. You can format the text and save it. Knowledge base. Easily connect your Help Center articles. Zendesk. Bring in your support articles straight from Zendesk. All of these sources are managed the same way. You can turn them on or off depending on what you want your bot to use. So, how does it work? When someone asks a question, your chatbot will first check its built-in flow. If it doesn't find an answer there, it switches to AI knowledge to pull from your added sources and craft a smart response. No scripts needed. And if something slips through the cracks, that's what training is for. Click on the training icon right next to Knowledge Hub and you'll see Untrained. These are questions the bot couldn't answer. To teach it, add a response and assign it to a category. If you skip the category, the bot won't use the answer. Answered by AI. Review and improve the AI's replies and organize them into categories. Spam. Clean out irrelevant questions that shouldn't affect training. You can edit, tag, or even group similar questions to sharpen your bot's responses. The more you add and train, the better your bot gets, and the less work your team has to do. That's it for this one. Keep feeding your chatbot useful content, give it the training it needs, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. Catch you in the next tutorial.